Before I start with today's lecture, I want to introduce you to a very useful web page. Okay, so the address of this web page is shown here at the very top. It's earth.nullschool.net, and if you open this, you see a simulation of winds in this situation here. You can see the surface wind circulation. You see the Earth, and you can indeed move the Earth around, and you can see wind patterns. Okay. So Australia, you can fiddle around a little bit, and sometimes it's pretty fascinating. For example, if you have a tropical cyclone forming or so. So there's a few things apart from turning you can do with Control Plus. You can increase the size. Let me just do that. Control Plus, get a little bit bigger. Okay, but that's not all you can use it for. You can use other options. So I'll just show you a few. You just click on the Earth button. Okay, so if you on the Earth button, and you get different options. For example, you can use the ocean mode. Okay, you can show the sea surface temperature. Okay, and you can overlay with currents, simulated currents. Okay, or you can indeed, let's see what we do. Sea surface temperature. Just do that. Animate currents. Okay. Click on Earth again. Okay, it doesn't do what I wanted to do. Just see how we go here. Animate, overlay sea surface temperature, show the currents. Okay, so you go click on Earth again. The green little circle, you can choose individual locations, and then you get some additional information on that. Anyway, so you can look around and you can see features of the ocean circulation in this example. Sea surface temperature. One example I want to show you here is the Leuven Current. This is the Leuven Current moving warmer water southward on the West Australian coast, and you can see the warmer water ending up here. And there are also circular patterns which are eddies. Okay, and so you can go all around the Earth and have a look at the currents. Okay, so this is one part here in the North Pacific Ocean where the Kuroshio current, which is very strong western boundary current, meets the Oyashio, which comes from polar regions, subpolar regions, and they meet and create a current which moves to the east. This one is the so-called polar front, a very, very swift flow, about 1 meter per second. So it's a very, very useful software that you can play around with, and it's actually continuously updated using the newest satellite animations, satellite-derived products, also including computer-based models. Okay.